Hello, welcome once again to HME 131, and this is about shopping tourism. This is very fun topic, no, because we all love shopping. Eventually, right now, there's a difference now in the way we do shopping because we are shopping using online stores, no. So let's get into the topic. Shopping is subsidiary activity through travel. It provides leisure pursuit, and then we also have international shopping travelers. And shopping equals a choice of destinations. Shopping and tourism. Shopping can be a part of the travel experience or the primary focus of travel. Major motivations for a leisurely travel trip. Tourists look for exciting opportunities to shop while traveling, and some destinations provide special tourist shopping activities for tourists to shop for goods. And for many tourists, shopping is one priority when they travel. So eventually, some of us goes to some places, no, not only to see the destination and to experience the package, no, of experiencing culture and food, drinks in a certain place, that we are also traveling because we want to shop. So in here, we have here percentages of shoppings according to statistics, as you can see in your PowerPoint presentation. Asians, we have 90%, Europeans 85, and West Europeans 86, East Europeans 85. Eventually, the Asians love to shop when they travel. So shopping as an auxiliary function of the visitor attraction or destination. Shopping for travel and tourism products within retail sectors, which are as a result influenced by seasonality. We also shop for essentials whilst on holiday, distinct tourism activity, and experience local culture through an engagement with local products, local craftspeople. So in every places, there are so many utop, no, or those products, no, that are very particular to a certain place or community. We're going to patronize that when we travel. Okay, so what motivates tourists to become shoppers when traveling? So when shopping becomes an activity for the sake of shopping, it is somewhat different. The three main motives for shopping is identified. We have the utilitarian, family or social interaction, and shopping as a pleasure activity in its own right. Of course, if you have a disposable income that you can use to spend for shopping purposes. Its own right with social and recreation dimensions. The four types of tourists are described, and the link between the tourist activity and their shopping patterns is demonstrated. So we have here tourist interest, shopping preference, culture, which involves local arts and crafts, natural and built heritage, arts and crafts and printed materials, and then we have urban entertainment, souvenirs display at home, which often carry the logo of the visited destination, like say for example, kaning mga magnet um, souvenirs that you can place sa inyong refrigerators to commemorate no kibali kung aha mo gikan, no. Kasi for example, if you've been to places, you want to buy or collect those magnet stuff, no, or things that you can place a refrigerator to, remember the places you went to. And then active outdoor pursuits, souvenirs associated with this outdoor activities. Say for example, if you're going to Siargao, there are little or mini surfboards there that you can buy so that it will also remember you of how you tried surfing. And in the concept of shopping tourism, there are several factors that have led to the recognition of shopping tourism as a concept. It involves enjoyable experience, meeting a social need, a motive to travel, the leisure destination, and specialty shopping. So what attracts retail shoppers? Price of goods is one of the key attractions, of course. Quality and attractiveness of the environment involved. Clothing and shoes rank amongst the most important items for purchase by retail tourists, and destinations selling quality branded items in this category will often fare better than others in terms of increased inbound visitor numbers for the purpose of shopping. So eventually, if you want to go shopping to other destinations, you need to consider what will attract you rather is these things, no, that you have seen in your PowerPoint presentation. Number one is the cost, of course, and then also the attractiveness of the environment in which you're going to buy that things that you want to bring home. And then also clothing and shoes particularly, and small trinkets are among the very famous no nga ginapalit sa isa ka destination. So the importance of understanding tourist shopping behaviors is also important to recognize that the purchasing behavior of a tourist is different from ordinary purchasing behavior. Holiday travel by its very nature is a break from normal routine. Rather, it's a study of tourist shopping behavior identified that the type of trip taken, age and gender influence the tourist participation in different categories of a shopping activity. So there are times where mag-shopping ta during weekends. Some of us go shopping through the holidays, and then mostly we shop for the purpose and we want to buy things that are necessary. We are not going to buy things that are not really in use, because of course we don't have that much disposable income to use for shopping purposes. So the shopping motivation is also being influenced by age and gender. So it is influenced by age and gender. So eventually, the younger ones are more into shopping if and only if they have that extra income, and then the adult ones or the much older people, they shop for a purpose. Okay, so we have also going into shopping festivals. So we have the term shopping festivals, which are created by countries to help with economic growth by providing good quality products and services. Tourists from all over the world come to shopping festivals in Hong Kong and Dubai specifically. The shopping festivals have become big attractions of tourist destinations, and there are a number of shopping festivals that cater to the different needs of the shoppers worldwide. So it's not only Hong Kong and Dubai who created shopping festivals, there are so many countries na, no? And then there are various shopping festivals held at different seasons in nearly every part of the world, and this way goods and commodities from every region comes within reach. If you have a liking for a particular thing, you need not go that region and buy it. Because for example, in the Philippines, if you want to buy things coming from abroad, there are also places here, we're offering, places that are offering rather, those specific things or stuff. The Dutch tourists also engage in shopping activities with shopping festivals. So some of the shopping festivals around the world are discussed below. So we have here Dubai Shopping Festival, which started on February 15, 1996. So it's a retail event intended to revitalize retail trade in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It has since been promoted as a tourist attraction. So just imagine, it started during 1996. I was still maybe 3-4 years old. It really is starting to offer tourists all around the world stuff that they want to shop. And then in Hong Kong, a place where East meets West, makes one of the very popular tourist destinations in the world, and all the fashion freaks from around the world have bookings for Hong Kong during the month of June to August, and this is the time of the famous Hong Kong Shopping Festival. We also have a shopping festival in Malaysia, a very popular fair all around the world, and it's famous among the international tourists and people from all over the world during the shopping festival. This way they get to shop, enjoy the cultural events, and tour the place at the same time. And then the economic impact of shopping tourism. There are advantages given by the shopping tourism or festivals. There are also things that they bring negatively. So shopping tourism generates a significant amount of spending in the destination. Shopping play a crucial role in a regional economy as they provide high visibility for commercial exchanges, and these imported dollars often provide the additional revenue needed for local businesses to remain financially stable. Shopping tourism has a huge impact on the economy of a destination, and with the growing trend of shopping tourism, many countries have felt the need of making more developed shopping malls and shopping centers, which lead to high visibility for commercial exchanges and sustain a number of jobs directly and indirectly in regional economies. And a part of it in the context of shopping provides a boost to the handicraft industry also. There are also destinations, especially during the shopping festival season, which leads to growth in the other infrastructure such as hotel, transportation, food, and etc. And it also adds to the economic growth of a certain country, because not only we provide the culture, the food, the drinks, and other stuff in the destination, but we also provide shopping opportunities, no, for people who also have extra money that they can use to buy things that they can bring home with them to commemorate, no, their travel. And then we also have future trends in the leisure shopping industry. So in here, many lodging establishments have installed retail outlets and commercializing mostly leisure shopping products. Different stores and complexes designed for leisure shopping enhance their attractiveness by adding new facilities offered, such as catering. Conference programs usually include nowadays shopping experience trip. Also, we also have airport, airlines, ferry, and cruise company that are developed their own leisure shopping stores inside their own facilities to increase their income, especially as a result of the loss of duty-free sales. New shops that appeals to the hobbies offering facilities and equipment, for instance, painting. And if we are going to also apply what's happening, no, at the present situation, the shopping industry really became down, no, it has been down really, and dili na to siya ma-expect na mubalik diretso, because as the income also gets lower, the shopping industry will not profit because wala may kapalit ang tao. Eventually, as the pandemic will lay low, maybe the shopping industry will also increase its income slowly. And then we have important trends also in developing the leisure shopping facilities, represented by marketing and promotion from other sectors of leisure. So tour operators organize excursions that include shopping experience. Hotels usually promote leisure shopping facilities for selling their weekend breaks, and transport operators promote shopping facilities for the out-of-peak season. And then we also have collaborations, recommendations for successful shopping tourism in the future. We have collaboration between retailers and tourism stakeholders, awareness raising within the retail sector of the potential benefits of shopping tourism, understanding tourist purchasing behavior allows destinations to tailor their product offering to suit their key target markets. And it is also important to consider the attractiveness of the shopping environment. So it's really nice to understand also the importance of shopping and the downside of shopping. We need to remember that if we want to shop, we need to always have disposable income to use for that. So that is the end of my lecture on shopping tourism. It's a very short lecture, because as we all know, we have already an insight about shopping, but then we do not have really a core understanding of its purpose. So shopping is not really wasting your money all the while buying things that you do not use, but as a shopper, you need to also understand the value of the things that you're going to buy, and of course the value of the money that you are using. If you do not have extra money for shopping, then do not buy only the things that you need. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the lecture, and I hope to see you in another lecture for the part 3 of our discussion. Thank you and have a great day.